flower. It's me, Nia, with the Xquisite Floral Design Events, and I'm just looking and my battery is low, so this is gonna be fast because I don't feel like going and getting another battery. So anyway, we are going to make an arrangement in a foam vase, which I don't do a lot, but it's a lot easier. So anyway, we're going to take our foam and we're just going to cut her in half. And we are going to take our container and we're going to stuff it in there. And then we're going to go and get it wet. All right, I am back. So I know my florist girl is going to be like, okay, I went and got another one because it died. Anyway, so like I was saying, I know my girlies are going to be like, Nia, you're supposed to wet it first. Yes, you are. But all I did was put the whole thing in and let the water absorb to it. So it is what it is. Sometimes I get lazy and be doing stuff right. So don't always follow me. This should have been wet, then cut it. But I would like it to be really secure and tight. And to me, this way is secure and tight. Now, I didn't bring my tape, but I would tape it across. Anyway. Do I have some tape in here? No, I don't. So anyway, this is the beginning part. So this is my bouquet from Trader Joe's. It is so lovely and pretty. My hydrangea is dead because I didn't have a lot of water and I didn't check it yesterday to see what it's going to look like. I mean, how it's going down. So normally what we're going to do with we're going to open it up and I am just going to put our lovely roses in first. I'm going to start with my center focal and I'm going to open this up and put one to the side, and then I have another one that's not so healthy. I'm gonna put let's put it kind of like right there down at the bottom, and then all we're gonna do is take our lovely mums. These are, and I am going to kind of put them in to my little spots. Let's see. One spiral or baby blue eucalyptus because I want to need to cover. I think I want to cover up my spots first. Let's take this silver dollar eucalyptus and kind of, I'm gonna cut this one and we're gonna kind of cut it and spots. Let's kind of fill in because I don't. Now let's finish with, I wanted to see if I had enough, because you guys know I'm just doing this off the whim. But as you can see with a styrofoam, with a foam, it's a lot easier to control where your flowers go. They don't move as much, which is what I love to do when I'm doing like weddings and stuff. But you guys know foam is not that great for you. I'm gonna start working with chicken wire and moss. A lot of florists are doing that. And then there's other foams that you can use that I'll look into it. I'm not very sure, that I think aren't as as damaging to florists as a lot of them are. Okay, so let's see. I'm gonna try to take, I'll put the name of this on screen. You guys, I'm not very good at remembering names of all these damn flowers. I know a lot of people are. Not I. I want to say this is, I want to say it's something with an F, but I'm not sure. I don't want to lie to you guys. Like I know everything. No, I don't. I don't know it all, and I'm not gonna try to act like I do. Let's put in, if I had this hydrangea that I let die, it would have been a good pop of color in there. I'm gonna stick some more of this eucalyptus. Baby blue or a spiral eucalyptus in spots. The bottom, and then the few remaining mums we're going to kind of stick down at the bottom, and then the rest of, I want to say, I can't remember the name of this, I'm not gonna lie. Let's see, let's bring this out here. Oh, that green hydrangea would have been pretty in here. And I'm just trying to see spots that I don't, you know, see hollow, that I can see my phone with, that I'm going to fill in. And now we're going to take our wax flower. And, oh wait, no, you know what? Let's finish with our last little pieces of spiral eucalyptus. And let's cover our bottom part. And then to cover your like rim or whatever, the rim of everything, go in really close to where the leaves are actually touching the actual one of the leaves are actually touching the actual foam. So that's how we kind of cover that up. And let's see, what else do we have in here? Nothing else really. And then now what we're going to do is we're going to take the little bit of wax flower that we do have in this. We're just going to tuck it in there to give it some texture. So our primary flower is our rose. It would have been this beautiful, I could bring her back to life, you guys. Basically all you're going to do is just cut her, and you're going to cut her at an angle and put her in some lukewarm water, and she'll come back to life because she is a hydrangea. She's missing her water, and I think I may do that, and then put her in there also. And so all I'm going to do is I'm just cutting, I'm just going to fill in at the bottom anywhere I see any kind of holes. Okay. Ooh, nice and beautiful for your lovely tables at your wedding. So you guys know I would always suggest is clear out that refrigerator, and then just do all your arrangements a day before. In the floral foam, in a floral foam, this will last in a cool room, and you don't even have to put it in a refrigerator. All I suggest is you make sure it has a whole lot of water in it, and yeah, just make sure there's a whole lot of water in the bowl, so that it can be, so that they'll stay hydrated. But usually with the foam, it doesn't really need much to go off of. All right, you guys, so there is my lovely arrangement. I do still have a little bit of stuff. I'm gonna put this in water so that it can come back. I'll probably give it about an hour or so, but basically there you go, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you're not a member, please join my membership. We kind of talk about how to make money with wiring services, how to make money as a florist, and even some of my tips on how I get a lot of business with my floral design business, or high-end clients with my floral design business. So I'm telling you all those good secrets, and that's it. So don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.
Hehehe